Hello, and welcome to NIME's 3 days weather forecast. Moisture level across the country is so deep in the upper atmosphere, and we expect this to continue to trigger more activities on rainfall and thunderstorms in the next 3 days. But in the early hours of Wednesday, we have most part of the north in very clear sky conditions with some few clouds across the north, while we still see some small activities around part of the central cities of Kogi and also part of the coastal areas of the southwest and of the southeast. We expect this to lead to some activities of thunderstorms in the afternoon over part of the northeast of Maiduguri into part of Jigawa and also part of Kano. We also anticipate some thunderstorms over parts of Gombe, part of Taraba, part of Plateau, and part of Nasarawa and the FCT. And also there are chances of intermittent rain showers, which could lead to some flash floods over part of the inland of the southeast and the coast of the southeast and that of the southwest as well. We look forward to temperature getting a bit cooler over the south of the country, as temperatures are predominantly likely to range within 32 to 33 degrees Celsius over most cities in the south. We expect the central cities to report temperature of about 31 degrees Celsius over Abuja, while we expect 35 to 36 degrees Celsius over part of Borno and Yobe, and some temperature of about 32 to about 33 degrees Celsius over most cities in the northwest of the country. We expect Thursday to also start with some good weather activities in the morning hours over part of the north of the country, and most especially areas around the northeast of Katsina are likely to experience some thunderstorms in the early hours of the day. Afternoon is where we expect more thunderstorms over part of the FCT and part of the inland of the southwest, and also part of the inland of the southeast and the coast of the southeast are likely to have some intermittent rain showers in the afternoon hours on Thursday. We expect these overbearing weather conditions to keep temperature down over the southeast and the southwestern areas, as temperatures are likely to drop to 30 degrees Celsius over the Niger Delta areas and also part of Port Harcourt, Eked, and also the inland of the southeast, with places around Enugu likely to report a temperature max of 32 degrees Celsius. The FCT will also have temperature drop to about 30 degrees Celsius, while we expect the northeast areas around Maiduguri and Yobe to have temperature around 34 and 36 degrees Celsius. Katsina is likely to report a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius, while we expect Zaria to report 29 degrees Celsius. We expect events of Friday to also be quite active, with numerous thunderstorms expected over the northern flanks of the country into parts of Kano. We also expect some thunderstorms over parts of Gombe, parts of Bauchi, and also part of Taraba and Yola. Also part of Makurdi into part of the FCT and Kogi are also likely to experience mixture of thunderstorms and rain on Friday afternoon. We expect temperature to continue to be lowered across the north, as Maiduguri is likely to report a lower temperature of about 33 degrees Celsius. We still expect Kano to report temperature around 33 degrees Celsius, while the FCT will still maintain a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. The southwestern areas will have temperature drop to as low as 27 degrees Celsius over the coastal areas of Lagos and Ijebu-Ode, while we expect the Niger Delta axis to also have temperature around 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. And that's where we'll leave you for this edition of our 3 days weather forecast. As weather continues to vary in the course of the week, we will bring you updates. Thank you for watching.